Hello to all of you lovely people out there. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. And today, via a writing prompt, I'm going to give you the #1 tip on how to build your fictional world. And if you don't know me, I'm OCTAVIA D. Mason, giving the best practical writing tips to the beginner writers, helping them begin and build a great novel with confidence and a strong foundation. Let's get to this writing prompt, and it goes as this. Pretend you're stuck in your favorite Christmas movie. Write what it's like to be immersed in the story. The practical writing prompt tip is this. 50% of writing is convincing readers your imaginary world is real. And my favorite Christmas movie that I chose is Scrooged. And I just realized that it's not titled Scrooge, it's titled Scrooged, meaning he is a man who is basically Scrooge and is a Grinch and who likes to make everybody else's Christmas miserable. And so these ghosts, past, present, and future, come to Scrooge him, which means they come to rectify his life and make him nice again. So yeah, let's get to the writing prompt that I did. Let's do this. Tim Burton. That's it. Those are the two words I'll use to describe what I'm experiencing. Darkness bloomed in the skies, creating a never-ending overcast. My feet step into shadows because there is no color to be found, only various shades of grays and blacks. Yet, I'm not downhearted or afraid by the bleak undertone of this world. How can I, when an old Christmas classic has come to life? Unfolding around me are priceless moments of knee-slapping laughter and poignant truth. The story of giving and love is no longer a film on a screen, but is a reality, an immersion into a Christmas tale. Here's the #1 tip on how to build a fictional world. Use imagery. Use what your character is feeling, what your character is seeing. Build the world up to where your readers can not only see what the world is like, but feel what the world is like. Feel how gloomy the setting is of Scrooge, but yet put in the fact that there is laughter going around in this world. It has a Tim Burton feel where it's kind of mysterious and gloomy and dark and bleak, and there's a mystery behind it all. So use the feeling of the story and the feeling of the world to build that fictional world up. So this one is kind of straight to the point, kind of simple. Use the world around you, use your feelings, your senses, what you see, how you feel to build that world up, so that way your readers can not only see the world, but feel what the world is like. There you go. #1 tip on how to build your fictional world. If you love this writing prompt, be sure to head on over to my website at OCTAVIADMason.com, where you can get a little bit more of this writing prompt. And if you want more practical writing tips, be sure to check out all my other videos on practical writing tips for the beginner writers. I'm OCTAVIA D. Mason, giving the best practical writing tips to the beginner writers, helping them begin and build a great novel with confidence and a strong foundation. See you in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.